You guys, what's up? So, I'm starting a new series called Getting Good at Logo Design or something like that. Because I want to become really good at logo design, and yeah, and I want you guys to, I just want, to show you guys my logo design slash design process. It'll be really interactive, if this actually gets posted and if it goes well. But yeah, so I didn't know what to make it to make a logo for. So I just decided, you know what? Let's make a logo for T series. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make a cool T because the T is gonna be the main attraction, definitely. So right like here, I was trying to figure out a good placement and just a good idea for it. I really had a lot of trouble with this logo because like T series, their channel, I mean, I couldn't really figure out really what to do with that. I was having a lot of trouble. This is kind of why I want to get better at logo design, because I'm not very consistent. This definitely is not my greatest logo design, but by the end you'll see that it's okay. You know what I mean? It's pretty good. Okay, so I made the T kind of look like this. I think I'm gonna remove this stuff, but this is gonna be the placement and font of it. I'm gonna put the text in this in some sort of shape, probably. If I can, maybe. Okay, let's do that. Change the placement to right here. I'm still trying to figure out what I can do to this. This is like this is starting to get kind of annoying. I honestly, I'm having trouble with this. I got a good idea. Wait a second. Like already, I could already use this as a logo probably, but this is kind of looking kind of typical. So we're just gonna add this all. I'm just gonna call this the base. Base. Okay, let's Control J. Bring that out. Okay, I'm gonna put the T in like a YouTube play button. That could work. Okay, so I have it in kind of like a YouTube play button like thing. This could be a bit rounder, but I kind of want it to be its own thing. Maybe I could just to go over this really fast. Rasterize this. Maybe, I don't know, let's see. Okay, okay. Nope. Get rid of that. Yeah, this is a version 1. I'm gonna go make a couple more versions for you guys. And yeah. See you in a second. Check out this. Look at this. Okay. That looks cool. Look at that. I like how in this font the text is kind of leaned, like it's kind of it looks a bit like it's what do you call it? It's in italics, but it's not. And so I can play with that and kind of make it look like this is hanging off of it. That looks really nice. I'm kind of debating on whether to keep it like this or kind of add something here. I'm gonna try that really fast. I don't know if I like this or not. I added some stuff right here. I think it looks okay. I like this more because your mind has to really like kind of think about what I'm going for, but it's not impossible to think of. Okay. Let me do a couple more things, and then you guys can tell me in the comment section below which logo is your favorite. Okay, I just added some boxes and stuff around it. Yeah, tell me which one is your favorite. This obviously didn't turn out too good, but this is basically the series' purpose, is for me to become better and better at logo design. You guys can be here the whole way. If you guys enjoyed the video and you want to see more of the series of me making a logo and you guys being along for the ride, please consider liking the video / subscribing. You guys don't need to do it, but you can, and the buttons are always there for you to press. Also, I want to give a big thank you to Zimri Mayfield. He's a YouTuber. He's way popular. He's way more popular than I am, but I just want to thank him for inspiring me to like make a kind of video like this. He makes videos like this where he basically just he designs stuff and you're kind of along for the ride, and I kind of want to do that a bit. He also inspired me to make logos, which is awesome. And yeah. Now, I don't think this is very good. I think it's okay though. But yeah, just tell me which one you like. See you in the next one though.